Let's get started. First, we'll start with BabyBot's head and body. Draw a half circle that looks like an upside-down U, like this. Then draw a straight line connecting the beginning and the end of the half circle. Well done! That's BabyBot's head and body. Let's continue drawing BabyBot's face. For BabyBot's eyes, start with 2 half circles for the eyebrows and then draw a circle for the pupil. Exactly like that. For his mouth, make sure to give BabyBot a big smile. See how the mouth looks like a sideways letter D? Great. Now BabyBot can talk. For BabyBot's body, draw a line that goes all the way across through his mouth. Like that, Lingokids. BabyBot loves to grab apple pies, and for that, he needs his arms. To draw the arms, make a circle for the shoulder where the head and the body meet on each side. Next, draw 2 lines on each side, stretching out from his shoulder. At the end of these lines, make another circle for the hand. And don't forget to draw his fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers on each side. Great work! Since BabyBot is a robot, he can stretch his arms super far, which makes him a great dancer. Let's draw some lines on each arm to show that they can stretch in and out. Try to make them the same distance apart. Amazing! To dance, BabyBot also needs his legs. But first, we need to draw a thin, long rectangle as a connecting piece right under his body. This will be where his legs connect to his body. Well done! Get ready, Lingokids! BabyBot's legs are made out of different pieces, and we need your help assembling all the parts. Let's start with the leg on the left side. Make a rectangle going down from the body with slightly rounded corners. Draw an eggplant for the foot, and then connect the eggplant to the rectangle with a squiggly line. Now, the other leg is longer than the first. Once you've drawn the second rectangle, draw the top of a plunger for his foot, and then draw 4 diamonds to connect his foot to the rectangle. Excellent! BabyBot is stylish and loves to wear a hat, which goes up and down as BabyBot walks. Let's draw it to the left, above BabyBot's head. Draw a rectangle for the bottom of the hat, and then a square on top. Don't forget the stripes. Finally, it's time to decorate BabyBot's suit. Since BabyBot is a robot, he has lots of buttons. Start by drawing 2 circles on his body on the left, and then 1 circle underneath. Even though BabyBot is a robot, he is so friendly and has a big heart. Draw his 2 cheeks to show how big his smile is, and his heart on the right. Excellent! There's just 1 more button to draw on his leg. Well done! Get your crayons ready, Lingokids, because it's time to color. For the colors, we will use dark blue, red-orange, yellow, turquoise, purple, red, gray, and black. First, use your red-orange crayon to color BabyBot's head. Next, use the yellow crayon to color just one of BabyBot's cheeks and the body. Great! Use the turquoise crayon to color the piece that connects BabyBot's body to the legs. Use the red crayon to color the stripes on the left leg and the foot on the right. Use the dark blue crayon to color the hat the fingers, the leg on the right, and 2 of the buttons. Use the pink crayon to color the rest of the buttons, the other cheek, and BabyBot's heart. Use the purple to color the foot on the left. Use the black crayon to finish BabyBot's eyes, mouth, hands, arms, shoulders, and parts of the legs and feet. Finally, use the gray crayon to color in between the black lines on BabyBot's arms. Amazing!